a session where we are aware as we speak now, you're working on your projects, right? Yes. As we speak now, right? So what we want to do is actually we want to help you in this journey to increase your chances of getting an A in your project. Yes. Right? Isn't it? Yes. Isn't it? From the few that I've spoken with. So what I will encourage you, obviously we can't cover all the projects, but the intervention will be, we'll pick up, you will let us know what your expectations are in terms of improving your proficiency in what you need to finalize your project within the shortest time possible. My understanding is, and correct me if I'm wrong, you are taught the theory of engineering, correct?
Yes.
They sometimes show you 5, 10, 15 tools from this thing, isn't it? The rest, you're supposed to do what? You're supposed to do what? Go figure it out yourself. Is that a summary of our experience? Yes. The same way no one has taught us computers, So this is the manual of if you have to become proficient in that. I thought to myself, how are they supposed to learn this within the 5 years that you're in school? Isn't that correct, Amy? Where is Amy? Isn't that correct? That you're supposed to master this thing by the time you graduate. There's not one single tool you don't need, you don't know how to use. That is the reason we are here. Now the flip side is, there's an expectation as I speak to you today. You must do some sort of modeling with the full knowledge of what is in this book, right? Yet you are finalists and we cannot do 50%. That is the truth, isn't it? Right? That you have all this theory but you cannot translate it into. That's the reason we are here. To help you become proficient in your tool of trade. So you can command better jobs, isn't it? Yeah. And better salaries. Now for us, we have one of the value propositions we are going to give you is to guarantee you proficiency if you continue practicing with our solution, right? In the time frame that you're doing your project. Sasa, right? Yeah. We have a mobile version, we have a computer, so you have no excuse for failing your projects. You really don't, since you met us. Do you think it's not a valuable investment in your project? We want an honest conversation. Do you feel it's not a valuable investment? It is. Sorry? It's very valuable.
I can assure you, it will be very hard to join any organization nowadays if you do not know how to use these technologies.
The reason why we are not advocating for this is because most engineers do not love reading literature. And that is why we have DemosCAD for you. Whenever you have any problem in your design work, you have very beautiful demonstrations that you can watch and you get to learn how you can solve each problem as you experience it. Allow me to demonstrate something.
DemosCAD contains downloadable demo files. After viewing a demonstration of an AutoCAD command tool in DemosCAD, you may want to try out a similar exercise with a tool using AutoCAD. Each of the command demo in DemosCAD contains a demo file used to create the demonstration. Clicking on the Demo File tab in DemosCAD instantly opens the AutoCAD DWG file, which lets you carry out a similar exercise with a tool on your own. Through such exercises, users are able to get practically acquainted with AutoCAD commands. However, to work with a project file, you must have AutoCAD installed in your computer.
This is a very nice product, as you've already seen. It's something that we have in the offline version. You can install it in your machine, your computer. We also have the web-based version, where wherever you are, you can access and see and learn the various tools that you need for whatever project that you'll be designing. And finally, we have the mobile.
So it's accessible on Google Play Store I believe you are on Android. So the app will support Android 6.0 and up. To know your version, just check your phone about. But sure, it will download. So just go to Google Play Store, DemosCAD. So to access all tools, you will have to subscribe. We have 2 packages. $10 a month, which is 1,000 Kenya shillings a month, and 10,000 a year, or 100 USD. Okay, so if you want to pay through M-Pesa and Airtel, I believe you can use PesaPal, or if you have a PayPal account, just initiate the PayPal activity. So you go to PesaPal, you'll see your package options, which are the 2 I explained earlier. So what you basically do, you'll get a form where you'll enter your mobile details and your email address. So we need this to actually confirm your payment on our side. PesaPal, if you select the PesaPal option, there are a number of payment options you get, which include e-wallet, Visa, Airtel Money, M-Pesa, KCB, COP. They are all there. You just see it. So if you select the M-Pesa option, you get the process of paying. Our pay bill business number is 220. So you'll just go to your M-Pesa application, pay 1,000 to 220. So if you're paying through M-Pesa, once you pay from the M-Pesa application, you'll just take the confirmation code. Your number is already saved on the PesaPal activity. So what you do is just paste in the confirmation code. And then you hit complete. So the interface on the phone is similar to the one on the web. You can see here. So I've enabled zoom in controls so you can do better navigation when you're using the software. So if you can select a box, the box tool, sorry, it's still in the option. What you get is sort of a pop-up giving you now 4 further options. You can view the demonstration of that tool, the procedure, the command tutorial, and you can exercise with Autodesk AutoCAD by accessing the downloadable files. So you can actually download the file here, and then you can use it in your machines.
Actually, DemosCAD, the SkyTOP Technologies, DemosCAD. I remember once a time they came to our school, and they told us more about the software. That's where I got the interest about it. That's where I came to know even I can access the software. I was able to download it, install it in my computer, and learn. So through the courtesy of the SkyTOP Technology, I was able to know that.
So anytime you have an issue with the product, I'd like to hear from you. We have 3 avenues of support. First being email, the first being actually phone calls. You can call us directly, we have a number on the website. Second is email, and the third is live chat. So we're actually available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Anytime you interact with the software and you have an issue, you have a problem, feel free to contact us. We have a good team and they're ready to serve you. Thank you.